Nuclear Emergency Procedure, Kuwait and GCC. The Bushehr nuclear reactor near Kuwait poses a significant risk. In case of an explosion, a radioactive cloud could reach Kuwait within an hour, requiring immediate action. To protect yourself, seal your home with duct tape and plastic, turn off the AC, and only consume bottled water. Do not drink tap water, not even if it's filtered. Radiation can contaminate water sources rapidly. Have enough sealed, packaged, or canned food for at least 2 days. Do not eat fresh fruits or vegetables exposed to air after the incident. You may feel fine, but radiation kills slowly. Your DNA breaks down from the inside. Protect your lungs, your skin, and your family. Stay safe and share this crucial information.